Nahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding the scoundrel, the fugitive.
Dami na na-involved na tao. Ito yung naiinis ako sa politics talaga eh, no? Isang issue, sanga-sanga giging involvement ng mga tao. And I think one of the biggest issue natin na pag-uusapan ngayon is the involvement of the NBI Director, Director Matibag, dito sa issue ng ex-Marine, na di umano'y sinupina nila to appear to NBI because of the power that was given to them by the Constitution and also given by authority given by the Ombudsman Boying Rimulya to investigate this issue. First muna, no, let's give a reaction from you. Ano yung take mo dito?
Questionable para kasi kay attorney, no, kukunin ko siguro yung sinabi na there is a logical problem in presenting these 18 Marines. Kasi nga, yung questionable din yung identity ng mga Marines kung talagang lahat sila ay Marines.
Si Baligod? Attorney Baligod or Attorney Topacio? And ano para
Yun nga.
ipaliwanag, sabi ng grupo ni Mike Defensor na that the NBI Director was being a defense lawyer against dito sa
Mm. It's his opinion. Okay lang yon, valid naman yun, opinion niya yun eh. Pero ano, titingnan din natin kung ano ba yung ano ba talaga trabaho ng NBI? Is it okay that they are investigating the Marines one by one? Okay lang ba yon? Or normal ba yon sa trabaho ng NBI? So ang sabi kasi dito, no, ayon sa aking research, yes, it is normal that the standard procedure for investigators, lalo na kapag group o grupo yung iniimbestigahan, okay lang na magkaroon ng isa-isang interrogation. Yun base dito sa
alam mo sa totoo lang, I was trying to dig in dito sa information na to. At isa din sa natutunan ko, which what NBI Director was saying, sabi nila is, paano mo mapoproof at paano tatayo yung ebidensya ng ex-Marine? Hindi mo ma-distinguish individually yung kanilang mga statement,
mm,
hindi nila matatanong yun, isa kakahiwalay. Kasi
correct.
parang even sabihin na natin siguro mga attorney were saying that paano ka magkakaroon ng 18 individual na may iisa lamang na testamento na pinirmahan nila? Paano daw mangyayari yun? Kumbaga wala silang iba't ibang information?